Welcome. If you want to block ads on the websites in your BLACKVIEW A60 Pro, at the first you have to move for the Play Store. Then tap on the search pool and type here Opera Mini. And we are going to get this browser. Okay, right now we can open. Accept the permissions. Click right here and just check if the ad blocking is turned on, like in my case. And after that we can open the website. For example, the first one that pops on our screen. And as you can see here, we get the notification that the first ads were blocked, and it's thanks to the partnership with the AdBlock Plus. So right now when we accept all this personal stuff on the website, we can scroll it and just check if we got here some ads, but I don't see any of the ads. So when we click right here one more time, we can check how many ads were blocked, and currently we got here the 3 ads blocked. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.